Finding the best gas fireplace can feel hard when you just want warm heat and a calm fire look on a cold night. The best gas fireplace gives fast heat, clean air, and a real flame feel that works well in many United States homes. I have spent years testing home heat tools in small flats and big houses, so I know what holds up and what fails in daily use. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence. And all product links in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 5. Duluth Forge Ventless Linear Wall Gas Fireplace. The Duluth Forge Ventless Linear Wall Gas Fireplace is perfect if you want heat without using floor space. I like how it mounts flat on the wall, which keeps small rooms feeling open. The slim wall fit gives it a clean, modern look, while the dual fuel mode lets you use natural gas or liquid propane, which is helpful for many United States homes. The built-in thermostat keeps the warmth steady, so the room never feels too hot or too cold. The ceramic logs look real and add a soft glow at night. It also has a safety sensor for peace of mind. You do need clear space above it, but once installed, it feels calm, safe, and very easy to enjoy. Number 4. Bluegrass Living Panorama Vent-Free Dual-Fuel 3-Sided Gas Stove. The Bluegrass Living Panorama Vent-Free Dual-Fuel 3-Sided Gas Stove brings a bold fire view into your space. The 3-side view lets you enjoy the flames from almost anywhere in the room. It makes the space feel warm and alive. The dual-fuel stove works with natural gas or liquid propane, which is helpful for many United States homes. The heat output is strong enough for large rooms, so it keeps living areas cozy on cold nights. I also like the remote control because you can change the heat without getting up. It does take some time to assemble, but once it is running, it feels steady, warm, and relaxing to use every day. Number 3. Duluth Forge Ventless Natural Gas Log Set. The Duluth Forge Ventless Natural Gas Log Set is a solid choice for homes that already use natural gas. The stacked oak look makes the fireplace feel classic and warm. It really does look like real wood. The high heat power helps fill large United States rooms with steady warmth, even on cold nights. The hand-painted ceramic logs look detailed and natural, not flat or fake. I also like the remote control, since it lets you change the flame and heat while staying on the couch. Setup can take a little time if you are new to gas logs, but once running, it feels reliable, cozy, and easy to enjoy every day. Number 2. Duluth Forge Ventless Liquid Propane Gas Log Set. The Duluth Forge Ventless Liquid Propane Gas Log Set is made for people who want real fire-style heat without the mess. The split oak logs look rich and natural, giving your room a rustic feel. The glowing ember bed adds a deep and soft glow that makes the flames feel more real. It puts out strong heat, which is great for large United States homes and open spaces. The remote control is easy to use, so you can change the heat from your seat. The safety system also helps you relax, since it shuts off if oxygen drops too low. It only runs on liquid propane, but if that fits your home, it feels warm, safe, and very inviting. Number 1. Comfort Glow Dual Fuel Ventless Gas Fireplace with Mantle. The Comfort Glow Dual Fuel Ventless Gas Fireplace with Mantle feels warm and welcoming the moment it turns on. The dual fuel mode lets you use natural gas or liquid propane, which works well for many United States homes. The strong heat warms big spaces fast, making it great for cold winter nights. The flame view looks smooth and calming, which is perfect for movie time or quiet evenings. The thermostat keeps the temperature steady. It does need some space, but once set up, it feels powerful, cozy, and like a true home fireplace. Final verdict. After reviewing all the models, my top pick for the best gas fireplace is the Comfort Glow Dual Fuel Ventless Gas Fireplace with Mantle. It delivers strong heat, looks rich with its walnut finish, and fits well into most living spaces. The dual fuel flexibility and easy control make it a reliable choice for daily comfort. For a specific use case, the Duluth Forge Ventless Linear Wall Gas Fireplace is a smart, budget-friendly option. It fits tight spaces nicely, mounts cleanly on the wall, and gives steady warmth without taking up floor space. Both options serve different needs, but each brings warmth and style to your home. Be sure to check the description link for current prices and full details, and pick the pellet stove that fits your style and need best.